Okay, we're on video 39. I think what I want to do here is, let's review what we're doing here. Now we've got it set up so that the boss shows up. I'll nuke it. We're at level 5, and there he is. We can shoot him. But after so many shots, I want him to turn color, like he's getting pissed off. So I want him to be pissed. So let's go ahead and get into the object, game objects, boss. Go into our step, and I think I'll just put it in the random sprite. I guess I could make another one. Let's do this. Control code pissed boss. Okay, so here we're going to say if global dot boss points are larger than 50 and global dot boss points are smaller than or equal to 75. So we're running in quarters. Image blend equals C orange. So he's a little bit pissed off at that point. We'll just copy that. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it twice. Yeah, okay. So here we'll be at, if it's larger than 25 and smaller than equal to 50, we'll make him fuchsia. Fuchsia. Okay, and then here, I don't need all this extra code. Bam, bam, bam. If it's smaller than 25, then he will be just pissed off red. Okay, I think that'll work. Pissed boss. Okay, let's give that a try. Okay, I'm gonna run it, nuke it, so it goes to the next level. There he is. See how he's changing color? He's pissed. He's really pissed. Oh, and then he blows up. Sweet. Alright, so that seems to work. That's good. Now, we gotta be concerned about running into him. So if you see, which is probably pretty obvious at this point, so I'll nuke him so he shows up. If I run into him, nothing. Get nothing at all. So we gotta have to have let's take our ship, I think is what I want to do, and add a collision. With the boss. And I'm gonna do this because we got that exit on thing, and I like to add that so that nothing happens while that exit on is, so you're protected while the exit is on. So when you have your little exit screen on, I'm gonna say if global dot exit on is false, and since we have the ability to have shields, if global dot Is that upper? Yeah. Shield on is false. Because if we had our shield on, we should be protected from him. Then we'll just... I think it's going to be an automatic destruction. I'm not even going to screw around with the life. I could even say life equals 0. But I'm going to say instance destroy. Because he is a boss. So it's not a matter of screwing around. Right? But you can do whatever you want. Else... Actually, we don't even need an else. You're dead. You're gone. And that would have been an else in here anyways. But okay, so if the shield is on, let's see, how are we going to do this here? I would think it would be an else. If global shield is not on, then you're just completely destroyed. Yeah, we do need an else in here. Else global dot, because you want to destroy him because you got your shield that not only protects you but also does damage to the boss. Random range. We'll just go 1 to 5. And once again, you can do whatever numbers you want in here. You could even put variables for different creatures or what powers are, especially if you level up or something like that. Okay, let's give that a try. Okay, nuke 'em. And let's put on our shield. Did do damage, but it should be shooting. Should be doing more than that. We should probably be... I never thought about that one. Let's try it one more time without the shield. We all know what's going to happen, but... Okay, nuke 'em. And here comes our guy. And he just dies. Kind of a bummer. But I thought I had other code in mind. Maybe not. Because that should... It should also be... I think it should be outside the code here. So it shouldn't be an else. It should always happen. So even if you had your shield on or off, it should also do damage to it. You know, even though it kills you. Even if it kills you, you still do damage to it. So when you come into the room, it's gotten a little bit of damage, right? Okay. You know, you can do whatever you want with that when he's running into it. It kind of seemed a little funky to me, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that and add the fact that the boss can shoot at you. So he'll open his mouth and he'll shoot little turds at you. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's open up our boss. And let's, in the step, we're going to add some more code here. And I'm just going to call it, I think I'll just call it open mouth. So he'll be sitting there and randomly, every once in a while, he'll shoot out a bunch of crap out of his mouth. Like most people do, right? Did we already create the variable for boss on? Yep, we got that. Okay, good. Okay, so we got the variables all set up, I think. If and boss on is just meaning he's got his mouth open. And global, once again, the exit on. I want to make sure. There's probably an easier way to do this, which I haven't really thought it out, so that once it's on, everything knows it's on. There may even be a variable in Gamemaker to just kind of shut everything off except for certain things. But okay, so we'll do a random equals I random integer random 1000. If R&D random equals, once again, 50, that's just my number I use. It doesn't matter that much. You can use anything. Use 12. Then, you know what? Before we continue here, I'm going to add the burp. I totally believe that I have a burp sound in there, because when he opens his mouth, he's going to burp. Do you have it in here? No. Okay, create sound. Where are we at here? 39 tutorials, audio. Sound burp. There it is. SND underscore burp. Okay, so that's ready to go. Okay, so if random equals 50, and we're gonna say if, once again with the sound stuff, global, because we got our global sound on or off. Sound on, if it's on, we will play the sound. Script sound, whoops, sound burp. And it's only going to play once, so we say false. Right? Oh, shit. False. Okay, now image index. So if you notice, let's shut down the sound things here. In the sprites, where's our boss? If we look into our bosses, the first one, he's got an open mouth, so that's what we're going to tell it to do. Image index equals 0. And then we're going to say, oh, we don't have that yet. Okay. Alarm 0 equals 50. That's going to tell him to shut his mouth. Boss on equals true. So we have our mouth open at this point. And I think I'm just going to go that far at this point so we can just show it. So add event alarm 0. Which is kind of out of sequence, but that's alright. Okay, let's go look at that again. Oops, open mouth. So after 50, it'll go to alarm 0. And after that alarm, all we're going to say is image index equals 1. So it goes back to its closed mouth. And let's give that a try. I think I got it all in there. Okay, I'll nuke it. So he shows up. There he goes. He show up again. Now what I'm going to have him do when he burps, he's going to shoot out a bunch of little turds. It's kind of an added thing to attack me with. But you saw it happen there, I think. Wait, that better have been random. And you can change it from 1,000 to whatever you want, how often you want him to open his mouth. There you go. There he went. Just burped in your face. Alright. Okay, so in the open mouth, let's see, what do I want to do? Did I even make max shots yet? Let's look at our scripts. Oh wait, I think I made that. Oh, I made the variable in there. So I said, okay, this is how you make a variable, a very local variable, in the actual code right here. Variable max shots equal, and I kind of just did this to run off the level, so it only shoots out whatever level you're at. That's how many pieces it shoots out. So a global variable. I should probably close this off for this one because we're kind of running out of time here. But if you want a variable within your code right there, you put the var in there. I mean, I could have put create max shots, but I want it to update, so whatever variable or whatever level we're at, that's how many max shots we have, and so it keeps up to date. So it's running this variable, which is local instead of being global like all the other ones that like I said, isn't a good idea to do. So I'm gonna let this one go, and we will continue from this one, and he'll puke out shit on the next video, which could be fun. It's fun. It looks pretty cool. Alright, subscribe if you want to, and y'all be good. Okay, bye.